See, advanced selection tool. I given attached all the training files on below. You download it, you practice thoroughly. So you can, how much you practice, that much you reach in Photoshop. The tool is too good tool. Only way you need to understand the tool thoroughly. One selection, you can do multiple ways, but you have to understand one thing. Depends upon your project or whatever the image you are getting. You need to think about the tool, which tool can use it and perfectly you can cut it. That tool you need to use it. The backbone of Photoshop is how perfectly you cut the images and how you can able to manage the layer panel. So please practice. I have around 30 years experience in this. Around 18 years I worked in Adobe engineering teams for developing this tool. After that, around 12 years I worked in different companies as a director of design and everything. So perfectly you can the use Photoshop. That the way how the industrial use that I explained clearly.